Hi you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video today, and in today's video we'll be doing a bit more of summer reset, mainly because my room looks like this currently. It's the 2nd of March and summer is here. It's honestly disappointing that it is a summer video and I'm having cold and a bit of allergy because of the change in climate. So I'm just having some dry fruits and I'm making my morning lemongrass tea, which is my holy grail. I love it so much. It's so comforting. After which I realized my room barely has space to walk, so I just quickly did some laundry, folded some clothes, cleaned all the mess that was there just on the outer surface of my room. And this was here after a whole week of actually not taking the effort to clean my room, so this had to happen and I quickly just kept everything back in its place. I also made my favorite breakfast after a really long time. I made some yummy avocado toast literally after a whole month. With that, I also made some yummy cinnamon brown sugar coffee that I make quite often recently, and I just have half a cup of it. For me, summer, winter or monsoon, I cannot do without my morning shower. Like, I need it. So today I just thought of taking all through my morning shower as well because I love doing this so often. And no, I don't take a shower with like burning water. It's just that my bathroom gets very foggy and smoky because of ventilation. But yeah, I started with this shampoo that really helps me get rid of all the oil in my hair. And as of now, this Dove body wash smells so good. It smells so buttery, soft, creamy, and it makes me smell really fresh throughout. I just add this extra step of exfoliation with this physical scrubber. Lately, I'm also obsessed with this mask. This smells so good. It literally smells of summer to me, and I just apply a bit of it on the ends of my hair and I keep it for 5 minutes and I tie my hair into a bun. Meanwhile, I'm just doing some face wash and then I'm also gonna brush my teeth. I obviously don't like spending a lot of time in my shower, so I just try to time it this way and then I just wash everything out. I just found a note in my pocket, but regardless, I am talking to you all after this whole long morning that I've had, and right now I'm feeling extremely low on energy. I have not even worked out, and that's just because I was dancing the whole night. So at around 2 or 1, I could feel like a butterfly near my thigh, and I honestly freaked out, and we didn't sleep well the whole night, and me and they were literally dancing at like 2 a.m. in the night. So I think I'll take like a 15-minute power nap, and this genuinely feels so good because my eyes feel extremely dry for some reason. Like, did I break it right now? Oh my god, what did I do? But okay, I'll just not fidget with it anymore. But before that, I felt that I was about to get a bit hangry and grab some lunch that mom made, and I think mom has made summer vegetables now because I no longer can have bhaji and all of my favorite sabjis like methi, because that was like a whole winter season thing. And now I feel like I have to have a lot of gourds like dudi, tinsy mutter, and I feel like all of that will come back in my kitchen. So I'll have to eat like a lot of that. Let me be real, I don't enjoy a lot of summer veggies, but I like to have them with like a bit of dahi so that it doesn't taste very dry to me. Apart from that, I genuinely feel like I should start opening up a bit with you all, because I like when I'm filming, I just feel like, should I share this, should I not share this, am I yapping a lot, is this whole video just me talking? And I want to stop doing that and like just do whatever I feel like. So as of now, few things that I really want to work on is do a Q&A video for y'all, because I feel like I haven't properly done a Q&A video. I think I once did that when I like initially started my YouTube channel, and I was honestly, that's like a very cringy video. Firstly, I don't want to watch it at all. But you guys must be wondering, why am I not posting anything on Instagram? And many people ask me that quite often, that why are you not active there? And to this, I want to just let you know that I need some time, because I feel like Instagram has become like a very saturated place. Like I feel like when I did it, it was not like this at all. Like, or maybe times have just changed, maybe I'm just really consumed with other people's lives, but I feel like I need to keep a boundary, and that boundary for me is right now just trying to focus more on my life. And obviously I can't share everything that I'm doing in my life on Instagram on like a 30-second reel, right? I just feel like I want to focus a bit more on YouTube, because I want you all to get to know me. I think to actually maintain and keep like a healthy distance with Instagram, I have made 2 rules for myself. One is that I will never go on my For You page or even check out people's stories or see what they've posted, and just set that boundary that if this is your job, you technically don't need to or necessarily have to have a look at other people's lives. Because I feel like when you are posting on the same app and you're consuming on the same app, it gets very difficult, I won't lie. That I promised myself that I'll stick to is I have actually muted people on Instagram, and I literally did not, the longest time I didn't know how to mute people on Instagram, and that's why I never really did it. But yesterday I was like, I need to do it. I'll just Google how to mute people on Instagram. Regardless, I really want to get some work done and move forward, because I want to get done with like a few tasks and get them away from my site. So let's just actually make a to-do list. I just need to clean my cupboard. I also need to quickly just use some colain and clean these shelves, because they're so dirty. This one, the one on the top, this one right here, and that one there. So I'll just quickly wipe and clean all of the shelves. This might be a shocker for you all, and you all must be thinking that Mallarie, you're so indecisive, like just stick to one thing, like why are you wandering here and there? But I definitely feel like I need to join like actual classes, like classes that children do, and I feel like if I'll do that, I will have like a better sense of physical health, and I would look forward to it more. So I don't want to spill much about it, I will just show it to you all when and there. But basically I just need to go and inquire for a few classes. This was not at all easy as I thought that it would be, because firstly I had to get rid of all the mess that was already there, and I had to fold that and keep it back inside. After which I took some time out to remove all my full sleeve kurtis and my long kurtis that I wouldn't really wear in the summer season, and keep all of that aside and just keep like the cotton ones ahead for me to like wear them more often now, and also give a few for ironing. Every weather transition I make it a point to add some naphthalene balls, because they all literally get over in my cupboard. So I just add like at least 3 to 4 on each section of my cupboard. And out here I was just getting rid of these colorful shrugs that I kept for the winter season. And Now the final step to refresh my summer wardrobe is just to keep things out of my sight. You all know I did this last winter season and this was so helpful because it just helps me live a bit more clutter free. And I just took some summer dresses out that I wanted to wear this summer season, and I just kept clothes back that I know I will not wear in this hot weather. I know I don't talk about this a lot, but I genuinely love cooking so much and I want to make a bit more cooking videos. But before that, I want to just cook for myself and see how that goes. So I wanted to get some ingredients from Bhaji Gali. So I just took mom along to get me some avocados, some fresh fruits, some coriander, and just like basically shop for our home. Small hour. Hello, हाँ. This is raw. पक जाता है. तो take this one. कितने का होगा भैया ये?
80 रुपये होगा.
Hello there, I hope it doesn't look like I've just gotten up from a nap because I actually have. If you were to ask me why am I using a mic, yeah, people are working outside and they have no sense of time. So let's actually do something very exciting right now. A very big thing, and do a try on haul from Savannah. Yes, this is so exciting. There was a time where hauls were like so exciting for me, but as of now I just don't feel that anymore. Maybe because I don't enjoy shopping as much as I used to, which is a really big thing for me right now. But I just feel like it's a phase and I'll come back to like the whole, I love shopping and like let's go window shopping and just go to stores to have a look at their collection. I really want that phase of my life to come back. But other than that, I ordered like a few summery clothes from Savannah, mainly because I do feel like I don't have good bottoms. So I have not ordered tops at all because you already know that I have so many tops. The thing is, few of the materials are quite questionable because it's straight up polyester, and I don't understand how can you wear polyester during summers. So I would have to return a big chunk of these orders. But let's just try on these pants because they look really promising right now. This is the only pant that came with like a fibery cotton material. It is low rise. It will fit you right above your belly button. It has pockets. I love the lace detail on the bottom, and it's just like very comfy. It would look perfect on like a pair of white blouse, kind of like a top. It will give like very cottagecore vibes. So I wanted this, but I think I'll go for like a size smaller in this if I were to keep this piece. Next up, I have these pants which are straight up polyester, but they are so cute, I won't lie. Like the gingham print is so cute. It has like this white waist belt that makes it look so much more cuter. Overall, it's just very summery and cute. This pant was again straight up polyester, but I think people buy this only because of the color and the pattern. If you all can see the bottom of these pants, but it was a no from me. Now these pants I love a lot. It came in like the perfect cotton material, although it's very thin, like they don't come with lining, but it does the job. It's summery cute and I loved it. I would want to get this in a size smaller, but they were still super cute. And then I also got this very cute lilac colored bralette from Savannah. Surprisingly, their workout clothes are really pretty. I love this one a lot, but I again got the wrong size, so I'll get this exchanged to a size smaller. But then while I was actually returning the items, I realized that you can't exchange pieces, so you have to technically return everything, and the procedure is so long because you need to take several pictures of everything that you're giving back, including the bill. They literally asked several pictures of everything, so I was so annoyed that I had to do so much of work and none of these items I could even keep for myself. I feel like returning those items took forever, but right now mom made some yummy shira, and I don't know why am I feeling like eating warm things when it's so hot outside, but I just feel like my throat is asking for like hot things right now. This will fill me up, and again like it's warm, so I will feel good. And after this we will inquire for a class that I really want to join. So mom also wanted to go for a walk, so I feel like both of us will just go inquire and see how that goes. This is so pretty, you guys. I'm so close to the water. I felt this when I was in Goa for the last time. It's unreal. Inquiry was just a bahana. We literally enjoyed this park so much. As well as the popcorn, and I don't want to come here again 100%. Oh, moment of anxiety, agitation, irritation, or stress. How many times have you lived in absolute pleasure and when was the last time this happened? So pretty, you know.